Practice 7.4, all together now, in which the explanation speed is greased lightning. Please try this problem, and then we'll come back and do it together if you like. If you want a hint, here it is. Following these steps, we will use the distributive property first. So multiplying through, I get 2 times x, which is 2x, and 3 times 7 over 21. Using 2/3 a second time, I get 2 times 4, which is 8, and 3 over 1 essentially gives me a 3. On the right, 1/7 multiplied into this binomial is 1 times x, which is x, over 7 times 1, which is 7. 1 times -5 is -5, and 7 times 3 is 21. Okay, let's find the lowest common multiple of 21 and 3. 3 goes into 21, and 7. Oh, so does 7. So the lowest common multiple here is 21. Multiply both sides by 21. Again, we use the distributive property. 21 times 2x over 21, and then 21 times 8 over 3. So 21 divided by 21 times 2 is 2x. 21 divided by 3 is 7, times 8 is 56, equals, now 21 divided by 7 is 3. 3 times x, well, 3x. 21 times -5 divided by 21 is just -5. I will now subtract 3x from both sides, and I will subtract 56 from both sides as well. Working that through, 2x minus 3x is -x on the left, and -5 minus -6 is 56 is -61. Well, we're almost there. This is a -1x. Divide by -1, and you will get your answer, which is x is equal to 61. Well, if you got that, well done. Please carry on. Thank you.